Ja sam kao sef pun love koji ne možeš da obiješ i plus još uvek pokušavaš da se probiješ. Ja sam kao šef do koga ne možeš da dopreš. Možeš da se penješ, al ne možeš da se popneš. Ja sam kap krvi koja je prelila čašu i mrzi što baš ja najbolje zapali maštu. Baš si cool, sal taj heroin i koka ne seri nego donesi vamo 3 kartona štoka. MC sitan, MC davno presto da postojiš i što se ložiš da odrepa pare brojiš. To je mamino i tatino i dekino i bakino. Nemoj da sereš, družit ćeš se sa šamarčinom. Mrzi muške pičke, razmažena sranja što vrište kao sise kada ostanu bez para. U crnoj kronici možeš da vidiš priče iz kraja i ne možeš da repuješ bez jaja. Poljubi me uči tabu šta se smeješ ko babun. Šta koji kurac za tebe sam brate jebeni tabu. Nisam za tvoju malu, pročitala me odmah. Posle da si dušo otišla na zadnje kola. Sviđa joj se što sam prost, ovo je 3 spotin gosti. Kaže za tebe da si za gore oko tost. Ja sam poslednji nivo, najviši stepen repa. Sveštenik najvišeg reda, dolazim na prepa. Zvučim kao Hammer 3, tuniran za jebeni napad. Istočne kapije Beograd, boli nas za zapad.
Homie, kick back, relax, have a six pack with that, cause the sick tracks are back. I know you've been waiting for us. Your shit's just so whack and we deal heart attacks. So you're gonna need an ambulance. With 3 bases back, don't get tasered or smacked. And we don't fuck around, how we bust. And your breath smells like crack, in fact, pop a tic-tac, cause the Belgrade's finest is us. Yo, you motherfuckers ain't really ready for this, yo. Well, I'ma give it to you anyway. We be chopping them up, zipping them tight, sending them out now. For real, that's just what's up. Never in life had so much beats to kill. So think about just how much angrier it gets me. That all you fuckers care about's 2 words and 808 kick. I've said it a million times. You rappers ain't shit. I rap because I miss rap. You rap because you miss chicks. This is the Belgrade's finest. Them boys are mischief. Been rapping since you had your diapers on. Sick kids. The shit we say equals the shit that you never heard. Make you hit replay more than you do it on Angry Birds. There are some facts you need to learn, you little rapping turds. More lies in your songs than on the back of a tax return. Our fucking dealers have a college degree. You following G? It's platinum circle status machine. Our noses are clean, lungs filled with cream de la cream. It seems we're making things beyond your wildest dreams. This is the album you've been waiting for like Detox. Now get it while you can, because after this your shit flops. Keep your legs crossed, sluts, this is in Bangkok. We going postal, checks in a fucking mailbox. Homie, kick back, relax, have a six pack with that, cause the sick tracks are back. I know you've been waiting for us. Your shit's just so whack and we deal heart attacks. So you're gonna need an ambulance. With 3 bases back, don't get tasered or smacked. And we don't fuck around, how we bust. And your breath smells like crack, in fact, pop a tic-tac, cause the Belgrade's finest